Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js to a video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial, we're going to save our to-do item in React.js. Sorry, this Firebase database. So let's start. First of all, we have to take this input data, which already we store in a variable in our hook, using hook in input, and this input we have to pass to a function, and that function will be create our to-do item in our database. So let's start. The name is, let's say, create to-do, and let's make it prevent default. db dot collection, and our collection is to-dos dot add, and here we have to add the field name. First we have to pass to-do, and our value is input. That's it. It's very simple. Even you can say one line of code. If we have here multiple fields, we can pass here like secondary name, whatever. Then next step, let's set input, make it empty, but we write it will keep as empty. Save. This function or method we are using from here, we're going to use on click, pass this method, save. That's it. It's very easy and simple. Button type I'm going to pass here, submit. That's it. It's only one line of code. Here you can see db.collection, then our collection name, which is to-dos. This one, if I go to this one, to-dos, and here we have one to-do, field name, this one, to-do, and we pass our value. Now let's create, this is to-do item in React.js. Save, that's coming. This is to-do item in React.js. If we go here in our collection under to-dos, here we have 3 to-dos, and this is second to-do item. Okay, not this one, I think this one. This is to-do item in React.js. If I reload, even it will come because it's coming from our to-do this Firebase database. And let's create one more. Or that's it. One more thing we can do here, if I press this, you can see here empty is coming. If I reload, even it's showing here, and it's passing the empty input here. So to avoid this one, what we have to do here, just go in button and make it disabled, and here not input, then make it disable. Let's disable, and not able to do anything until I type here something, and then make it save. That's coming. Let's go and in next video tutorial we'll make it delete. We delete our items, and after that in last video tutorial we'll make update. So next video tutorial we delete our to-do items from here. So that's all this video tutorial. See you next one.